I don't know how many vintage car in Thailand, but the first car was imported in Thailand in 1904, which is about 120 years ago. It's quite a long time. And Vintage Car Club of Thailand, we are 52 years old, and many car lover here in Thailand. And compared to the West, we have all the brand that they have. And maybe because of Thailand never haven't been conquered by any country, and we have no war, we have no civil war within this 120 years. So plenty of car here, and many car lover here also. But for the amount, I'm not sure how many that we have now. I would say at this moment, Mercedes-Benz is the most popular. Maybe because of its strong car. I think because of maybe the strongest of them. And the rare Mercedes in Thailand, for example, 300 SL, the Gullwing. It's really rare car, but I saw by myself in Thailand more than 8 cars. And I would say the post-war car of the Mercedes, you can see all of the model here in Thailand. The problem of the classic car lover is we don't have the classic car that much. Thailand not allowed to import the second-hand car, which is we not allowed to import the classic car too. I think Thailand has prohibited to import the used car for more than 30 years. You use that, except Thai people who use that car for 1.5 years aboard, then you can bring in. But that regulation was canceled 6 years ago. So it means now we are not allowed to import the car 100% for the classic car. That I think that's a problem because many of car lover, but we don't have the car to restore. If you see the event in Thailand, you see the plenty of them, but the car lover is more. The new generation of people, they need to buy, they think about the old days, they want to restore the classic car, but they cannot find it at this moment because the collector, they did not sell the car that much. The market here is not liquid like other countries. If you went to UK or America, you can see the auction house to sell the classic car, but not for Thailand. Most of them, they want to keep the car in for their family. So the market is quite slow here. So I believe if we change the law, we revise the law to allow the classic car to bring in Thailand, the market will be, I think we can make the market bigger, liquid. I think if we revise the law to import, allow to import the classic car, the government will get the more tax, more revenue, and also we can create a new job here in Thailand. Like Thailand is a hub of automobile assembly. We have the skilled labor for the cars. We have the good mechanic, good body maker. But why we don't fix the classic car? Because we are not allowed to import. Since we are allowed to import the classic car, I think we can create a new job here. Government will get a tax, people will get a new job. That's a good thing. And for the corruption, it's good because now many of the car lovers, they're trying to import the pieces of the car and combine as one car, which is illegal. If you want to do it, if you want to legalize it, I think it's good for the country. It's good for the art collector. And the law, this new law is a very good one for the garage, the one who own the garage. If they pay the tax, suppose they import the car for one car, they pay the tax for 2 million baht. They fix the car within 2 years, they export. They're gonna receive the tax back, rebate back for 2 million. So it means they can create a job, plenty of them. That's might help the business here in Thailand. The new law will allow to import the car older than 30 years old. So the classic car in 90s can import here in Thailand. The Excise Tax Department will charge importer at 45%. But by the way, they're trying to protect the automobile factory in Thailand. So we have to pay a lot of tax. So I would say roughly about 40,000 euros for one car. You can buy a car lower than 50,000 euros but the excise department, they're going to count that your car is worth 50,000 euros. It means 50,000 euro or 2 million baht will be the minimum price value of the car. Even you buy the car less than 50,000 euros, but you have to pay at 50,000 euro cars, pay the same rate. So I would say you have to spend about 1.6 million baht or 40,000 euro for the tax. I think the effect is not that much because the gap of the price is not too big difference. You have to pay the tax at least 40,000 euros. So the gap between the market value and the price in Thailand is not that much. But by the way, if I own the classic car here in Thailand, I allow to drive that car every day as everyday cars. The license plate is a white color. I can drive as my everyday cars. But for the new one to import, the license plate is a black color. It's allowed to drive just only on weekend and holidays. That's it. So I think the price is not that changed, because if you want to drive the classic car as an everyday car, you have to buy the old cars in Thailand. My dream, I want to buy British racing car to Thailand because this regulation is very special. They are not just allowed the normal classic car, they allow the racing car too. And like normally the racing car is very difficult to register. But this time they allow the vintage racing car to register in Thailand. So it become a piece of art. That's my dream. So now I'm searching for the car. And I think not only myself, but a lot of my friends, they keep calling, which model should I buy? Which model should I buy? So the last question is, many car lovers here in Thailand, think about that now.